In this video, I will tell you how to restore the classic right-click context menu in Windows 11 because many users still prefer the older style menu from Windows 10 and earlier versions. The new Windows 11 context menu looks cleaner, but it also hides many useful options behind extra clicks, which can become annoying very quickly. Luckily, there is a simple way to bring back the old classic menu permanently. First, open the Windows search bar, type regeditor, and launch Registry Editor as administrator. Once it opens, go to the following location: HKCU, then Software, then Classes, and finally CLSID. Inside the CLSID folder, right-click and create a new key. Name it exactly this code that I am showing you now. After creating it, right-click that new key and create another key inside it called nproc-server32. Once that is done, click on Default inside the right panel with the left mouse button 2 times. A small window will appear. You do not need to type anything there, just click OK so the value is no longer showing value not set in the data column. After finishing everything, you need to restart Windows Explorer. The easiest way to do this is by right-clicking the taskbar and opening Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer on the list, right-click it, and choose Restart. After Explorer reloads, the classic context menu from older Windows versions should now appear in Windows 11 automatically. This is one of the most popular tweaks for Windows 11 because many people simply prefer the faster and more practical classic menu layout. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.